Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable dark mode everything on Android. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Now here you can see shortcuts and accessibility. Press on this. Now scroll down. Now go to accessibility. Here you can see color and motion. Press on this. Now you can see here color inversion. Go for it. If you want to disable your dark mode everything on your Android phone, you just have to turn on this button. That's it. So this is how to disable dark mode everything on Android. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.